Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and I have a project share from Gingerbread Prince. This is the April images that she wanted us to show and work on. Miss Saphira Chronicles, Saphira. Okay, so, and it is volume 2. So it's for the Gingerbread Prince. If you want 10% off, use my name and a reference referral link. I will put all that in the comments. Also, you have 2, 10, 5, or 25 monthly, and you can get all kind of prints. Here is a lot of what she does on Amazon and on her website. See, here it is volume 1, and this is volume 2. So all right, let's walk through this. It's really pretty. Look at that gold ribbon. Here it is. There it is. It's a hard cover. And I printed this, and I thought I was going to do something else with it, so I didn't print on the back, and I had already cut it. So next time, print on both sides to self. And then look at the bookmarks are just beautiful. And this is heavy cardstock so that you could really use it. So that went there. I think I'm going to take ink and just ink that to get some of that white off. But I made 2 signatures instead of 3. She has it where you can make 3, but I knew with all the fussy cutting, oh my gosh, I want to say there was like 72 pages. But if you buy it from Amazon, when you go to her site, it'll jump you to Amazon. I think it's so big that she has one as the journal and one as fussy cutting. So let's just go through it real fast. It's just beautiful. Blue is one of my favorite colors. So when I make journals, I really want them to be used for journaling. So here is just a card, and you can put notes there. Here is some of the fussy cutting. Here's an envelope, card inside, and I just made it like a tuck spot. And here is another envelope, and this I put there and made a tuck spot. And I mean, look how beautiful that is. Let's see, this is all hers except for maybe this one envelope right here. Look at that. And then and so I have this as a tuck spot, but this kept flipping up, so I said let me tuck it underneath so it stays down. And then here is a card, and then inside there's even goodies inside. There was so much fussy cutting, so then I put this back down and it holds it in place. There's the signature, which normally I glue up the sides here and here and make a pocket, but I just left it this time, and the blue matches, the blue string. So here's the other side of the envelope, and there's just so much. Made a tuck spot with the, you could really use this. So here is this, and look at that. Is that not beautiful? You're supposed to cut that apart and make it a bookmark, but I kept it as a card that you can literally write. That's just so pretty. I don't want to cover it up. But look at all those pages. It's just a beautiful images. I know anyone getting this and putting it by their nightstand and making notes would be so blessed. This is a second signature. So if you don't want an alligator mouth, make less signatures, or make your spine, this is 1 inch, make it a 2 inch. That's all. Sometimes it's better to make 2 books instead of 1 big alligator mouth. That's just my idea. So there you go, there you go. Made a card. Oh, there's an extra card there. There's all kind of stuff in that one. Fit all kind of stuff. same as the rest, and how I made a tuck. And there's goodies inside. Those tickets are so pretty. Same as the last time, and then there's some more tuck spots and stuff. So hopefully you will go and check her out. She has a coffee website. She has Etsy. She's been doing it for like 17 years. She's very well versed in what she's doing. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's a puppy right there. So yeah. And look, this was a belly band, and I put lace so that it wouldn't get lost with this print. And then I put a teacup here. You could, this is ladies drinking tea, so that's why I put it here. You could put them there, and then this was supposed to be a bookmark, but I just scored it and made it a little card and do that. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed my walkthrough of this album. It is so pretty. I really, really do love it. I'm just grateful to have these images. So there you go, guys. Share if you want to be a part of the monthly giveaway. Bye.